So we are going to export AliExpress products to WooCommerce. So here is my keyword, which is retro consoles, and I will export all these products into a CSV, and then I'll import it into my WooCommerce website. So first of all, let's open a website, selfstudyhelp.com, no spaces. And click on Tools, AliExpress to WooCommerce. Here's the tool, but you cannot see the fields. We need to add an extension. So open a new tab and go to Web Chrome Store and click on the website, search for AliExpress URL Extractor. Open this one, which is presented by selfstudyhelp.com, add it to your Chrome. Once it's installed on your browser, close this and go to back to Self-Study Help and refresh the page, and now you'll be able to see these fields. Now open AliExpress and copy the URL where you search the product and paste that URL into this field and click on Start button. It will scroll all these products one by one, and I'm fast forwarding this video, but it will take a couple of minutes maybe to get all these 40 products into CSV. So now all they are listed here. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Generate CSV. Once you click that, there will be two buttons appeared here. So click on Download WooCommerce CSV and wait for 20 seconds so it can generate the appropriate format to be imported into your WooCommerce store. Once the CSV is generated, you can download it and save it on your desktop and give it a name. Go to desktop, write down the name of your CSV, and it will be downloaded. Now open your website and click on all products in the dashboard, and here click on Import button and just upload that CSV to this field. Grab that CSV and click on Continue. You will see the mapping screen, but you do not have to do anything. Just scroll down and click on Run Importer. After you run the importer, it will grab all the images, all the data into your WooCommerce store and show you how many products are done and how many are failed. There are multiple reasons where some products may be failed. Some images are not available. Sometimes the internet connection is not working properly, but most of the time all the products will be done. Okay, let's open the all products in new tab and let's see. It may take a couple of minutes because the images are so many. Each product have multiple images, and that will take some time to be imported from AliExpress to your WordPress website. That is why it's taken time. So wait for it to be completed, and then we will go to products page and refresh it. Okay, 9 products added, 2 failed. And if you go to products, let's open a product, click on view, and here is the product. We have the images, we have title, price, we have multiple images, and this product do not have any description. So let's go to another one. Let's view this one. And we have the description. All the images within that description are also imported into your WooCommerce store. So that is how you can import AliExpress products into your WooCommerce website with some easy steps, and it's all free.